Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about one maze in particular in Halloween Horror Nights for this year in Orlando. If you are new here, or sorry, if you are sorry, oh, like this video for the YouTube algorithm, this will help the video to reach out more viewers like you. Also, if you're new here or like our content, we ask you to consider subscribing and ring that notification bell for more content like this. Thank you. Okay, now I believe this is going to be the last maze they're going to announce. Bear with, sorry that I sound funny. I have a cold. Just be aware. It's called Bat. Uh, I'm I'm Triple of Terror. So basically, it's like a birthday party bash with three murders and a family's murders. And so far, all of these mazes are original, not like using IPs like in their catalog or outside IPs. Yeah, this is short, but thank you for watching and share this video if someone needs to know knows about this.